Alright, this question is talking about domains. Let's go ahead and read it. The following quadratic graph models the force of gravity as an object gets closer to the sun. The x-axis represents the time in seconds. Okay, let's write that down. And the y-axis represents the force of gravity. So I'm going to put force over here. What is the appropriate domain for the model, keeping the context in mind? Okay, so remember, domain is also known as the inputs, the valid inputs. So those are your x values. What values of x could fit this context? Let's read the answers. A, all positive real numbers and 0. So could you potentially say, hey, when x, the time was 1.5 seconds, does that work? Is that something that's valid? That could work, actually. Or 10.5 or 0.3 seconds. Those are all real, and so is the 0. That could work. B, all negative real numbers and 0. So is it possible to say negative time? Could I say negative 2 seconds? What's the force at negative 5 seconds? It doesn't really make sense. You can't measure something backwards in time. Cross that out. C and D actually have the same problem as B. C, all real numbers, includes negatives, as does all integers. Those both include negative numbers. So we're not going to even pay attention to those. The answer here is just A.